So here is a question on transformer equations. It's question number 3 and it has two parts, A and B. Let's try to see the first part. Calculate the number of turns on the secondary of a step-down transformer which would enable a 12-volt lamp to be used with a 230-volt AC mains power if there are 460 turns on the primary. Now, we have assumed that this is an ideal transformer. Now, the situation here is we have 230 volts mains. This 230 volt is connected to the primary of the winding. And then we have secondary winding. This is how transformer is, and we have connected a lamp of 12 volt. Its rating is 12 volt. 12 volt lamp. So basically the secondary voltage is given. That is, the secondary voltage is 12 volt. Primary voltage is 230 volt. Secondary voltage is 12 volt. So, and they have also given that number of turns in primary winding are 460. So N1 is given as 460. Now we have to find N2. V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. How much is V1? V1 is 230. V2 is 12. And this is step down because secondary voltage is less than the primary voltage. So it is 230 by 12. This is equal to N1. N1 is 460. And N2 we don't know. So this is 230, this becomes 2, N2 becomes equal to 24. So number of turns on the secondary are 24. Now let's see part B. Part B reads, what current will flow in the secondary when the primary current is 0.1 ampere? Assume there are no energy losses. So this is again an ideal transformer. Primary current is given as 0.1. So I1 is equal to 0.1 ampere. Because this is an ideal transformer, power in primary V1 times I1 is equal to power in secondary, that is V2 times I2. V1 is 230, I1 is 0.1, V2 is 12 as the rating of the load, and I2 is we need to calculate. So I2 becomes equal to 23 by 12, which is nothing but 1.9 ampere.
Yeah.
It is basically 23 by 12 amperes. Okay.
Yeah.